Welcome. In this video, we're going to walk through a quick and effective way to make sure you never see adult content on the X app. Whether you're setting up your own account preferences or customizing the app for a family-friendly browsing experience, these steps will help you keep your feed clean and safe. First, open the X app on your device. Give it a moment to load, and make sure you're logged into the correct account where you want this setting applied. Next, tap on your profile icon in the top corner of the screen. This will open a menu with various options related to your account. From there, scroll down and tap on Settings and Privacy. This is where you can control most of the app's features and personal settings. Inside the Settings and Privacy menu, tap on Privacy and Safety. This section focuses on what you share, who can interact with you, and what you see while using the app. Now, select Content you see. This is where X allows you to filter and refine the type of posts and media that appear in your feed. Within this menu, tap on Sensitive Media Settings. Here, you'll find controls that let you decide whether potentially sensitive images or videos are shown in your timeline. Finally, look for the Adult Content option and select Never Show This. Once chosen, the app will prevent any adult material from being displayed in your feed or media previews. That's it, your settings are now updated. From this point forward, X will filter out adult content based on your preference, helping you browse with more confidence and peace of mind. Keeping control over what appears in your feed is an important part of making social media a better space for you. These settings can be revisited anytime if you need to make adjustments in the future. If you found this guide useful, be sure to apply it across all your devices to maintain a consistent experience. By taking a few minutes to customize your privacy and safety settings, you can enjoy a cleaner and safer time on the X app.